And take it out. You have your gingerbread man. Just like that. Okay, so you take it. Ready? Cooper, come here. Alright, now push it down. Push this down. There you go, let's go. Let me take it out, okay?
Okay.
Look.
Whoa, cool.
No. Gotta be gentle.
Good job, Cooper.
Why?
Cooper, what did you make?
I cookies.
Push it down.
You making cookies?
I push it.
Yeah, what kind of cookies are they?
I push it. That I push it.
Yeah, push that one down.
What kind of cookies did you make?
Push it through.
Push this one down, Cooper. Okay, that's good. Oh, good job.
Good job, bub. Whoa, look at all those gingerbread men.
Alright,
All right.
here we go.
Make more.
You gonna make more?
Alright, Cooper, do one more. Can you reach it? Alright, let go. Pick it up. Good
Cooper.
job.
Cooper, can you look at Daddy and say Merry Christmas?
Let's get it.
Christmas.